make sense why they're no longer posting each other, celebrating each other, guys. We did not know what them because they do watch their own reality show. Uthando Nesthembu and Izingane Zesthembu, because of their direct section. Lapana ku direct section, people will be comfortable saying whatever they want. They don't even care. So guys, we are surprised when we saw Marco Malo watching Izingane Zesthembu. So anyway, guys, let's get to start off today. Know the Rosetta has someone a piece of Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. For I love you. So guys, leave video ya Marco Malo watching Izingane Zesthembu, especially if Pate Lapana Usne came to Marco Malo's house to ask for forgiveness. She was just sitting with other people's. I think the other one was his sister, guys, watching Izingane Zesthembu, and people are saying, "Oh, yo, I will Marco Malo, she's brave to watch Leshona, guys." It means that they also watch Uthando Nesthembu, obviously, guys, but I'm a direct section. People will be seeing whatever they want. They don't even care. No wonder why these people are no longer getting together, seeing them together, especially Marco Malo and Michael. They used to spend time together, but right now, guys, it's ups and down. Abu Marco Malo, they're just doing their own things with their friends. Abu Michael, they will be spending time Nabo Samke, guys. Umangwabe Naisha will be spending time in the family. Yak Ezumayeni Uba Ase Shabini, guys, is spending time na nomdeni wake. It's no longer this. It seems like they are tired of pretending to each other, guys. They know very well what they not get along, and they've accepted that. And people are saying, "Oh, would say, oh, Snare knows what she was doing there." Go podcast, guys. The things that she was saying, go mangwabe no Makomale. And people are saying, "Oh, what?" As for Makomale, obviously, this is what we expected. She was gonna forgive Snare. Obviously, she has a good heart. Musam Salako probably was the one who saying, "Snare, you need to go and apologize to my wife, say Makomalo and Mango." And people are saying, "Oh, what?" They cannot wait to see party yakamangwabe, guys. Even myself, I'm saying umangwabe uzomdrega usne. So anyway, guys, let's have in the conversation. What do you think about it? Say, do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.